Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Lakshmi Samayalara. Today we are going to make fish curry, which is very easy to prepare and which the recipe would be very delicious enough. So let's see the ingredients. So before getting into the video, if you are watching our channel for first time, please do subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family members, and give a like if you like the video. So let's get into the video. So let's see the ingredients required for the fish curry. So first what we have done is we have taken a fish which has been washed, and then we have marinated fish with turmeric powder and salt. Turmeric powder, around 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and salt. So we have marinated fish with turmeric powder and salt. Then the other ingredient which is required is ginger garlic paste. We had made a paste out of it. So you have to freshly make a paste of ginger and garlic. And the next goes in is tomatoes. Tomatoes we have chopped in, and the other ingredient is curry leaf. Then you need fenugreek seeds, and you need tomatoes. You need curry leaves once again. This tomatoes, curry leaves, and fenugreek seeds is for tempering, and this is for the preparation. And then you need tomatoes, curry leaves, small onions, red chili powder, around 4 to 5 tablespoons of red chili powder. You need rock salt, oil, and this powder is pepper and fenugreek seeds. You have to dry roast and make a powder of it. Pepper and fenugreek seeds, both you have to make a dry roast and make a powder out of it. So let's see how to prepare. And one more ingredient, main ingredient which is required is tamarind, which I have soaked in water. So this has to be soaked around 15 minutes. So let's see how to prepare. Add curry leaves in it, 2 tablespoons of oil, fry it, and then you have to add small onions. So you have to fry this too. Fry small onions. So let it get fried. So this is South Indian style fish curry. So you can try this at home with simple ingredients, and taste would be very delicious. Please do try this at home and comment us. So you have to fry small onions along with the curry leaves. Let the color of the onion get changed. You have to wait until the color gets changed. Nice aroma is coming out of it. The aroma of small onions, when you fry in the oil, you get a nice aroma. So the color of the small onions has to get changed. Watch our other recipes too in our channel. And one more thing, you can find our recipes in 5 languages. That's in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, and English. So you can see the onions color has been changed. So our recipes are available in 5 languages: Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, and English. So you can see now onions color has been changed. Slightly it's getting changed. Tomatoes. Add two tomatoes. We are going to grind these tomatoes along with the onions and curry leaves. So that's why we did not chop it. We did not finely chop it. So fry these tomatoes along with the small onions and curry leaves. So let it get fried. So please try this at home. You can use any fish for this recipe. There is a fish called Shankara fish, which would be very tasty for the fish curry. Tomatoes, onions, and curry leaves. So the color has to get changed. So you can use any fish for this recipe, for fish curry. There is a fish called Shankara fish, which would be very delicious for the fish curry. Usually for fish curry, we usually use Shankara fish because the taste would be very I mean, you tempt to eat again and again. You feel tempting. So now you can see the small onions and tomatoes are getting fried in it, fried in 2 tablespoons of oil. So we are going to make a paste out of it. You have to make a fine paste of these ingredients. This is the masala required. You have to make a powder of peppercorn and fenugreek seeds. You have to dry roast in a kadai, and then you have to make a powder out of it. So this is almost getting done. So the color has slightly been changed. So wait until it gets, so you let it get cool for a while, and then you can make a paste out of it. So this we are going to remove from the stove. So let it get cool. Let it rest for 2 minutes, and then you can make a paste out of it. Of onions, small onions, tomatoes and curry leaves, which we have fried in a 2 tablespoons of oil. You can see the paste of these ingredients. So next oil get heated up. So now we are going to add fenugreek seeds. So this is for tempering of fish curry. So we have added fenugreek seeds. So let it get fried. So now this is done. So the other ingredient which goes in is curry leaves. So we are going to add curry leaves. This is also for tempering. So you can see the sound of curry leaves popping up. Added 2 tomatoes which has been roughly chopped, and add rock salt in it so that it gets cooked soon. So these tomatoes has to get cooked along with the fenugreek seeds and curry leaves. 2 tomatoes has been fried along with the curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. So now we are going to add ginger garlic paste into it. So now ginger garlic paste is ginger garlic paste into it. Ginger garlic paste has to get fried along with the other ingredients. So you can see it's getting fried along with the tomatoes and fenugreek seeds. So lovely aroma is coming out of it. Please do try this at home and comment us. And enjoy our other videos too, or other recipe videos which are available in Tamil, English, Hindi, Kannada and Telugu. So please do try this at home. So you can see all the ingredients getting cooked along with the tomatoes. So fry this. Don't let it burn. So fry until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste fades away. So now you have to fry ginger garlic paste along with the tomatoes. Fry until the raw smell goes out. So now this is almost done. So next ingredient which goes in is the masala which we have grinded. That's small onions, tomatoes and curry leaves which we had fried in oil. Added the masala into it. Add some water. Now mix all these ingredients. You can see the lovely color of the masala into it. So it has to get cooked. Leave it for a while, around 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. So this fish curry, usually fish gets cooked very soon. So only the procedure takes time. When you at last you have to add the fish. Don't add fish earlier itself. So you can see the slight bubbles coming out of the curry. So slightly bubbles are coming out. That means it is getting cooked along with the masalas. So keep stirring it. As I told you, don't let it burn. since we had added the paste of fried ingredients, so there is no need of letting it cook for too much of time. So hardly 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes is enough for this masala to get cooked. 2 minutes is enough for this masala to get cooked along with the other ingredients. So now we are going to add tamarind into it. Add tamarind. Let all these masalas mix well. You can see the bubbles coming out of it. Slightly bubbles are coming out of it. That means it is getting cooked. Now the tamarind paste has also got cooked into it. Paste is also getting cooked. In this stage, you have to add red chili powder according to your spice requirement. So now we have added around 3 to 4 tablespoons of turmeric powder, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. Red chili powder. Now we are going to add rock salt into it according to your requirement. Add rock salt and now mix it. 4 tablespoons of red chili powder and rock salt. So already we had added tamarind also into it. So all these ingredients is getting cooked along with it. So South Indians recipe, usually you can find the Chettinad recipes are very popular enough, wherein you can find varieties of non-veg recipes. So usually fish, crab and prawns, these curries are very famous in Chettinad. So this fish curry is a South Indian style of preparing. So please do try this at home and comment us. And without fail, subscribe our channel. If you like the video, give a like, share with your friends and family members, and please press the bell icon to get notified for our upcoming videos. So now in this stage you have to add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. So you can see the lovely color. So all these ingredients are getting cooked. Nice aroma is coming out of it. Now the last ingredient which goes in is pepper and fenugreek seeds powder, which we have dry roasted. So we are going to add the powder into it. Let me remind you, peppercorn and fenugreek seeds, these both ingredients has been dry roasted and I have made a powder out of it. So I have added the powder into the fish curry. So all the masalas are getting cooked. Nice aroma is coming out of it. I hope non-vegetarians will love this recipe. So all the masalas are done. So now we are going to add, at last we are going to add the fish. So you can see the fish which has been marinated with the turmeric powder and salt. The fish goes in into the curry. Once you add the fish, leave it for around 5 minutes is more than enough. So fish gets cooked very soon. So no need to leave it for a too long time. So we are going to drop in the fish which we have marinated. Now mix too much, then the flesh of the fish will come out. So that's why give a rough mix and stop stirring it. So let it get cooked for around 5 minutes. So your fish curry is almost done. So your fish curry is getting boiled now. So it's getting cooked. The lovely aroma along with the masalas and the fish smell is coming out, is almost done. So we are going to serve into a bowl. We are going to transfer this curry into a bowl. Now fish curry is done. You have to add the curry leaves into it. Just add curry leaves. Now give a rough mix into it. Now give a rough mix. Give a rough mix. That's it. Your fish curry is done. So now I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. So please do try this at home and comment us, and keep watching our videos and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.